Morning, YouTube. Well, I'm finally in a new state. I'm in Michigan. I didn't add the Upper Peninsula yet, but when we get there, I will add that in. Just thought I'd give you an update of what I'm going to be doing this summer. Right now, I'm in the Manistee National Forest, which is over here on the west side of Michigan. I plan on doing a little exploring around Michigan, get up into the UP, Upper Peninsula, explore that to get over into Wisconsin, over to Minnesota and North Dakota. So basically I'm going to cover all the upper tier states that I haven't hit yet. And I plan on being out by Salt Lake City in late September, but we'll see how it goes. I could get out there earlier. I could explore a little bit more of Idaho, which I passed through last time, as well as Wyoming. So I've got a lot to do, a lot of places to be. This is Memorial Day weekend, and to get an idea, this is a free campsite. I can stay here for up to 2 weeks. There's 21 sites here. I'll have a picnic table. There's some sort of fire ring. This one's like that. I got here Saturday, and there's 21 sites here. I think 15 of them were filled. So I actually chose the one right across the way, which is a pull through. The difference being, well, I watched, you can see a lot of shade over there. I wasn't getting a whole lot of solar, and I depend on solar for my power. So I watched the trailer that was camped in this site. They just left about a half an hour ago, and their roof was sunny for most of the day. So I moved over here. Not a big deal. And but it's an equestrian campground, so it's set up. If you come up here with your horses, there's places to hitch them up. Excuse me. There is a hand pump for water. I haven't figured out a way to adapt that to filling up an RV tank, but that's something I'm going to puzzle about, because I've run across, this is actually the first one I've run across that still worked. So thank you, Michigan, for that. There is a pit toilet, which is right next door to me over here, but I don't need it, but it's there if you're camping. So it's pretty nice. I expect it to be pretty quiet up here. I have some friends that may or may not be stopping by. Just a short video, let you know. Like I said, summertime, it's going to be the northern tier states. I was trying to find a job, but due to family commitments and stuff in May, I would have been able to, couldn't have got there early enough. So that's okay. I'm just going to travel and see where I end up. All right, so I'll see you later, YouTube.